Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. This video is the next part of my Peekaboo series, and where I'm trying to get out some things that I didn't really like in my past projects. As you can see here on the picture, you can see through the mica powder, and not only through the clear resin, and I didn't really like that. This is not what I was going for. So what I did to fix that, I will show you in this video. This time around, I want to try a slightly different attempt on what I was having in mind. So I have those rubber pieces. They're made out of silicone, and this is some leakage that I had from making a mold. So I just cut that out, and now I'm cleaning up my mold with isopropanol alcohol, and I will do the same thing with those silicone pieces so I can lay them in there. And what I did in the other attempts, I will link you up the video in the corner up there. So for that, what I have in mind, it's important that those silicone pieces have the same height as the other ones. As you can see here, this one is like really thin, and on the other side it's maybe twice as thick. And I don't really need that because I want no seepage over the silicone. Otherwise I have to take it off again, and I don't want to do that. It's kind of hard to explain, but you will see what I mean soon. And because I have problems with the height of those pink pieces, I thought, why not use another mold to put it in there? Because this is like silicone as well, and it must stick to the silicone of the other mold. And yeah, I'm trying to do this the same technique with not so many problems as with pink pieces. And yeah, you need other molds for that, yeah, if you have some. And because those two molds are higher than the resin level that I want to pour into those trays, it should work. I'm taking my Chameleon mica powder now, and I'm painting my mold, except for there where the other molds are inside of the mold. And yeah, this keeps me from taking away, or have to take away, the mica powder where I don't want it. So I do that to both pieces. So I mixed up some black resin, opaque black resin, and I will fill up my mold about, yeah, just one thin layer of the black. And yeah, I put another mold on the pink pieces because I'm scared that the black resin will seep underneath those pieces, and I don't want that. This would, yeah, would take the whole effect of that what I want to achieve away. So now I'm pouring it really slowly in there, and yeah, hoping that I will not have too much seepage underneath those pieces. So with those thinner pink pieces, you only can pour as much resin in there um, as it will not overflow those pink pieces, because I want to have holes in the resin, and if it seeps over it, over those pink pieces, there ain't no hole in there. I hope this makes sense somehow. So the resin is cured, and I'm taking out those pieces, and as you can see, I have seepage underneath and on top of the pieces. And yeah, the problem is if I leave it in there and trying to get rid of those seepage pieces, I will cut my whole mold, and I don't want to do that. So I take those pieces out, and yeah, clean the ridges off and stuff like that, and get everything off that I don't want there, and then I will put it back into the mold. This is not an ideal solution, because the seal in between the resin and the mold has been released, so there can't be any more seepage. We'll see how that works later, and yeah. But I think this is looking good already, and it looks much more than the thing that I wanted to have and I seen in my mind. So I put the piece back in its mold, and yeah, we'll see how that goes. And yeah, and I do the same thing for the other one. As everything was back into its mold, I mixed up some clear resin, and I'm filling up the molds um, up to the level that I will have once it's cured, a really nice flat surface. Sadly, I forgot to press record on my mobile phone, and yeah, that's why I can't show you what I did. But to explain this, on one tray I put the temporary tattoos down first and then the stickers on top, and on the other one I put the stickers first and then the temporary tattoo on top. So I'm trying to figure out whether this makes a significant difference in between those two pieces. So everything is dry now, and I have here interference mica powder and two colors of liquid resin dye in green and in blue, and I mix all that together. Well, one blue and one green, obvious. And yeah, you have to make sure that you really mix up the interference mica and really good into the resin, because if you don't and you have lumps in it, you will see them on the bottom, which is not so really pretty. So now I'm filling up my molds, not up to the top, just to get a really nice layer and cover everything up with my resin, and hopefully this is going to be the last one of this series, and it works just as I have imagined it. It is about 24 hours later, and I'm about to demold my pieces, and I'm really nervous because if this is not looking the way I planned it in my head, this will be the last try that I have on this technique. So if you like my video, please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, let me know what you think about my stuff that I do, and yeah, it doesn't cost you nothing, and I will answer every question that I get. Press the bell button and you will be notified whenever I load up a new video. I'm really excited. Drums, please. Oh my God, look at this. This is the picture that I had in my head like all along. This is the look that I wanted to achieve. You can't see through the mica, but the pieces underneath are showing really well. And yeah, I really like that. So now this one, oh, I'm excited. Oh my God. This is so pretty. Look at it. And I'm so glad that I put those swirly stickers underneath there. And in the later pictures, you will see that there will be stickers underneath the tattoo, and the tattoo on the other one is underneath the stickers. So yeah, that really worked out really well. I have some issues with my camera, so this is some pictures that I took in the sunlight, and I hope you like them anyway. It doesn't get any better, but we'll work with it. So, and here you can see the pictures where you obviously see that the swirly stickers are on top of the tattoo, and on the other one you'll see that the tattoo is on top of the stickers, and this is what I wanted. I'm really proud of myself, and please let me know what you think about that effect and that project, and yeah, I hope you like it as much as I did, and I hope I see you in my next video. And until then, bye bye.